Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video tutorial about how to create a new company in Tally Erp9. You can see here already I have one company already created. I will show you how to create a new company. To do so, first click on company info. You can see here entirely all the shortcuts are given for everything. We don't have to use a mouse. We can do the same by using the keyboard. For the company info, click Alt plus F3. From here, select create company, enter. Here give a name. I will give a name Blaze IT and the address enter and select the country and phone number. I don't have the phone number. I'll leave it now. I'll give one random number and the email ID and the website. If you doesn't have, you can leave it blank. It's not a mandatory field. Here select the financial year. If it is in India, yeah, of course it is from the April 1st the financial year begin. And terms of Nepal, it is must be the 76. Likewise, but here I will keep 2019 only. And password, if you want to give, we can, or else we can leave it blank, but it is secure to give a password. And here if we want to change the symbol, we can change it, or else we can leave it as it is. Yeah, of course it is the Nepali rupees if it is in Nepal. Simple amount, no. Add a space between the amount and symbol, yeah, of course. Millions, no. And then you can leave the things as it is. It is in a right way. And then click Y, it will accept. And here you can see we have two company here. One is Blaze IT, one is Radiant IT Solutions. We can select the company which we want to work in. If you want Radiant IT Solution, we can. If you want Blaze IT, we can do that. Please, if you like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.